Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making an easy and quick dinner recipe with rice and vegetables. This recipe is very delicious and easy to make. If you guys like the sound of this video, make sure to stay tuned. First, grab a small pot and add 1 cup of water. Then add 1 cup of rice to a small bowl with some water. Once you've washed your rice, add it to the pot of boiling water. While your rice is cooking, chop a few bell peppers. Then cut up some broccoli as well. Now drizzle a little bit of oil on a large pan. Start off by sauteing your frozen corn for a few minutes. Then add your frozen peas as well. Season it with some seasoned salt, lemon pepper seasoning, and rosemary. Now add your broccoli to the pan. Lastly, you're going to add your bell peppers and saute them for about 1 minute. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Also make sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I make a new video. This recipe is very quick and easy to make, and if you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!